Hi, this is Ashley coming to you from Halton Honda with another great Honda. Today we're checking out the 2014 Honda Odyssey EX. Powering this 8-passenger vehicle is a 3.5-liter, 248 horsepower engine. It has 17-inch alloy wheels. Lighting your way are projector beam halogen headlights with auto on-off function. It is equipped with heated side mirrors and heated front seats to help keep you warm in our cold Canadian winters. Enjoy the convenience of power sliding doors and Honda Lane Watch blind spot display, which shows you a live video feed of your blind spot. Stay connected with hands-free Bluetooth and steering wheel mounted audio controls. Backing up has never been made easier with the use of your rear view camera. There's lots of cargo space with the one-touch 60/40 split third row magic seat. Book your appointment today at 905-632-5371.